guys, today we want to talk about Thinkware's latest 2K dashcam, the X800. Here's the X800 front camera. It captures in stunning 2K QHD video quality with a 150 wide-angle view. You can either go for the single or dual channel option. With the single channel option, you get the front dashcam unit only. If you opt for the dual channel version, you get the front dashcam and the rear cam, which records in 1080p at 30 frames per second. Included in the bundle, you will also find a GPS antenna accessory and a hardwiring cable. The hardwiring cable helps to unlock parking surveillance mode, and the external GPS allows several advanced safety features like safety camera alerts and ADAS. Both options come with a 12-volt power cable, a 32GB microSD card, a windshield mount, cable holders, and a quick start guide. As the next generation of our popular X700 model, the X800 comes packed with more features and technology like Super Night Vision 2.0 and Energy Saving Mode, making it a must-have all-in-one dashcam. It comes equipped with a 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen that provides a convenient user experience by allowing you to adjust settings, view and play back recordings instantly from the device. Thanks to X800's premium Sony Starvis image sensor, you can expect good video quality day and night with Super Night Vision 2.0. Unlock uncompromised video coverage with a wide 150-degree viewing angle of the front and a 160-degree viewing angle of the rear. Let's now talk about parking surveillance mode. With hardwiring installation, you can enjoy parking protection against potential mishaps and hidden runs by capturing footage when an impact or motion is detected. You can use either our hardwiring cable or our OBD2 power cable to enable parking surveillance mode. We do, however, recommend professional installation for hardwiring your dashcam. As we mentioned before, the hardwiring cable is included with the dual channel version. You can tailor the X800's parking surveillance mode to the coverage that best fits your surveillance needs by choosing from time-lapse, energy saving, and impact or motion detection parking modes. The energy saving feature reduces power consumption while in parking mode by saving a 20-second video clip each time an impact is detected. This is ideal for prolonged surveillance, like when you're on vacation. In time-lapse mode, the dashcam can record up to 7 times more footage compared to regular motion and impact detection by reducing the recording frame rate to 2 frames per second. If you are looking for more safety features like safety camera alerts and ADAS, you will need to pair the X800 with an external GPS antenna. Adding the GPS antenna allows the X800 to track the speed, time, and route history of your vehicle, and enables the speed and red light camera alert function so you're always informed when behind the wheel.
Speed and red light camera in 300 meters. Speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour.
ADAS helps you to stay safe on the road with alerts for lane departures, front vehicle departures, and potential forward collisions. To utilize the features provided by the GPS antenna, all you have to do is plug the GPS cable into the GPS port in the X800. You can also convert the X800 into a 5-channel dashcam for all-around comprehensive surveillance. Up to 3 additional full HD cameras can be added to the X800 dual-channel setup when paired with the multiplexer accessory. The interior infrared camera, which captures the interior cabin view, and the exterior side cameras, which capture the left and right side views, are compatible with the X800 and the multiplexer box. During recording, the front camera footage is saved independently of the other cameras, and footage from any additional cameras is merged together into a separate video file. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions about Thinkware products, give our customer support team a call or send them an email and they will be happy to help you out. For more Thinkware tutorials, unboxings, and details on our dashcam lineup, subscribe below.